Hello guys, welcome to Ratan 3D World. Today we are going to discuss about 3D printing technology. What is 3D printing? You all must have heard this word once in a while. So let's try to get a detailed information about this term. Before understanding 3D printing, let's talk about what we all use in our day-to-day life, that is 2D printing. So, how the process of 2D printing goes? We usually design a document in computer software such as MS Word, in PDF format, or in a painting. Then connect a 2D printer to a PC and give it a command to print the document. The printer takes couple of seconds and prints the document in a 2D format. The similar process goes for 3D printing. Now let's understand this by taking an example. A 3D printer needs to print a hollow cylinder of radius 20 mm and a height of 60 mm. So how the printer will print this? Printer will print a ring of 40 mm diameter and print another ring on top of it. This process continues till the 60 mm height of the cylinder is achieved. This process takes time because it's a slow process. Now let's decode the detailed process of 3D printing. Step 1. Designing 3D model in computer software. So we need a computer software which can design a 3D model. There are tons of software available. Among those is a SolidWorks software. This is how the interface of the software looks like. The advantage of this software is that engineered structure model can be designed and also accurate dimension of the model can be achieved. But this software is a paid one. To save the file, .sldprt format means solid part format is used. Other type of 3D software are available. They are open source software. The name of the software is Blender. This is how the Blender interface looks like. This software is used to make cartoon animation and also 3D models. This software is free of cost. To save the file, .blend format is used by the Blender software. It also stands for Blender. Now let's talk about step 2. Stereolithography format. Every 3D software saves the file in its own extension language. It is not possible for 3D printer to understand every format. So there needs to be a standard format for 3D printers. That format is .stl format. Now how to save the file in .stl format? There is an option in every 3D modeling software to save the file in .stl format. These are the some snaps of how 3D models are getting converted into .stl format. Step 3. Slicing software. In this software, .stl file of 3D model is loaded. The software slices the 3D model or cuts the 3D model in number of layers, which the 3D printer will print one above the other. This sliced version of 3D model is saved in .g-code format. What this .g-code format do? This G-code format instructs the 3D printer at which position molten plastics need to be poured and in what quantity. Step 4. 3D printer machine. Copy the .g-code file on SD card. Insert the SD card in 3D printer. Turn on the printer. Select the .g-code file and give it a print command. Your model will start printing in the 3D printer. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.